Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your HTC Desire 22 Pro. So we need to start with opening our Google Play Store and right here find Firefox. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Right here we can customize it, so choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings. You can synchronize Firefox between other devices and also read this privacy notice. When it's ready, click on Start Browsing and now we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.